iVvy is creating the world's first online marketplace for the events industry, like the Expedia of the travel industry. Something like this exists in the world today. Why? Well, the business events is a $17 billion industry, which is highly complex, fragmented, with thousands of vendors in every city. Now, it is also scattered with legacy-based systems which don't talk to one another, and at the same time, over 70% of these operators do not have any online payment facilities or booking tools. Now, there is no easy way for an event organizer to book, plan, or manage an event in a seamless and productive environment. Organizing an event can be very time-consuming, frustrating, and labor-intensive. Now, a similar problem existed in the travel industry, which was solved by the use of an aggregator. Now, the way that an aggregator actually works is that it gathers data from multiple sources and then passes that data over to sites typically like a Wotif, a Webjet, and a Hotels.com. Now, what that then allows the consumer to do is to be able to shop online, to be able to compare, book, and pay for things such as accommodation, flights, and car hire. Now, there is no aggregator for the business events industry today. So I have with me today my co-founder, James Gregg, who will now take you through our innovation.
Now, within the events industry, there are three key sectors. There are the event organisers, the suppliers, and the venues. And essentially what we've done is we've built the software that enables each of these businesses to manage their existing business processes. So, in stage one, we've built some event management software for the event organisers that does everything you would expect from online registrations and ticketing, all the way through to travel and accommodation management, and even online surveys and email marketing. Stage two is our venue management software for managing function space availabilities and their sales pipeline. And then for stage three, for suppliers like audiovisual, entertainment, and catering, we've made an inventory and diary management system and a CRM. Now, as a result of all of these organizations using our tools, we have the ability to connect those venues and those suppliers with their consumer, the event organizer, by publishing their pricing and their availabilities into the iVvy marketplace, thereby becoming the aggregator for the events industry. So a typical example, if you're an event organizer and you may need to find a venue for 500 people in Hunter Valley, or a speaker and you're looking for someone with skills in a particular topic in March, you could search, compare, book, and pay for those services in real time. And what used to take upwards of 6 weeks can now take 6 minutes. So I suppose you can really see why iVvy has the ability to really become an industry game changer. So where are we? Well, we've already commercialised our event management software and are already being supported by over 130 of Australia's most successful organisations, including the likes of the federal government, BMW, Rio Tinto, and Westpac. Our event management software is even being taught in some of Australia's universities and TAFEs. Our function management tool was only just launched last week, and we already have 260 venues, both here in Australia and in South Africa, either under contract or on trial, worth millions of dollars. And our supply network is due for release early in 2013.
So the way that we take advantage of this opportunity is twofold. One, because we're a software as a service platform, we actually charge a monthly subscription fee for the usage of our 3 applications. And two, we take a clip of the ticket for every transaction that passes through our marketplace. Now, we've already generated $250,000 in the last financial year and have already achieved that to date in this first quarter. Now, we also are busy appointing resellers and distributors globally and working with key strategic partners within industry. I do believe that we have a really impressive team that has got strong industry, tourism, and technical experience. I have my co-founder, James Gregg, who's also built up one of the largest web technology companies in Australia with over 150 franchisees. 2 of our board members, Jan and Robert, have very strong industry, tourism, travel, and events experience, as well as connections. So what are we looking for? Well, we are in capital raising mode, and what we're looking for is an industry expert who has had experience in globalizing cloud-based application platforms that would like some skin in the game. Thank you.